What's up, everybody? It's Make Life Easier with AI, back again with another video. I'm going to show you how to level up your YouTube channel using ChatGPT, and not just in one or two ways. We're talking brainstorming, planning, scripting, SEO, engagement, growth, all of it. Whether you're using the free version of ChatGPT or you've upgraded to ChatGPT Plus, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of it. And I'll give real prompt examples you can start using right away. Let's jump in. Let's start with brainstorming video ideas, because we've all had that I don't know what to post feeling. Let's say you have a gardening channel. If you're using the free version, start with a solid prompt like, give me 10 YouTube video ideas for a gardening channel targeting beginner home gardeners. Now, you can tweak this by changing the niche, your target audience, or even the style. For example, give me 10 video ideas for a travel vlog that focuses on budget travel in Europe. Or try this ChatGPT prompt for broader inspiration. List trending topics for a cooking channel that posts healthy meal ideas. Another tip, try telling ChatGPT about your last few uploads and say, based on these 5 videos, what would my audience likely want to see next? This is great for keeping your content feeling connected and intentional. And for something a little more fun, you could tell ChatGPT, suggest 3 creative video challenges I could try on a tech review channel. There really are endless options for any channel niche when it comes to using ChatGPT for brainstorming YouTube ideas. Now, if you've got ChatGPT Plus, this is where it gets interesting. Try the prompt. What are some underserved YouTube content niches within the travel vlogging space that are starting to grow in popularity? Or if you want a built-in series idea, you could say, generate 5 themed video series for a productivity YouTuber with weekly episode titles and topics. And don't be afraid to ask it to act like something, like act as a YouTube growth expert and give me content ideas that would perform well in the fitness niche using trend data. Adding that act as prompt makes GPT-4 more focused and strategic in its responses. It's fantastic for generating new ideas. Next up, content planning, because having a good idea is one thing, but staying consistent is another. With the free version of ChatGPT, a great prompt to start with is create a 30-day content calendar for a gardening YouTube channel that uploads twice a week. ChatGPT will give you a week-by-week layout with titles and themes. It will be so easy to follow. You can also get specific with formats. Try plan 2 weeks of YouTube shorts for a motivational channel, or switch it up with. Suggest a weekly content structure for a beauty channel that includes tutorials, reviews, and product hauls. Here's a tip. If you include ideas for Instagram or TikTok repurposing, ChatGPT will help you spread your content further across platforms. Now, for GPT-4 users, you can go deeper. Try create a 4-week YouTube strategy for a self-improvement channel. Include video titles, target keywords, thumbnail ideas, and engagement CTAs. Or you could use it to focus on seasonal content. For example, plan a summer gardening series with weekly uploads, suggested B-roll, and bonus content ideas for social media. Want to build towards something? Say, design a 3-month content roadmap that leads up to a digital product launch or course reveal. Seriously, it's like having your own content manager on call. Okay, let's talk script writing. Because honestly, writing scripts can be a drag when you're short on time or ideas. The free version of ChatGPT works great for basic stuff like write a casual YouTube script for a video called Top 5 Houseplants for Beginners, or go short form with a prompt like write a YouTube short script that shows how to make a quick 3-ingredient smoothie. Another idea is turn this outline into a full YouTube video script and then paste in your outline. Even if you have zero structure, you can just describe your idea and let ChatGPT build something around it. With GPT-4, you can go more advanced. Try the prompt. Write a script in the tone of a travel vlogger with quick cuts, humor, and emotional storytelling. Or write a video script that uses the AIDA model, attention, interest, desire, action, to keep viewers hooked. Want to sound more like you? Say, rewrite this script in a friendly, confident tone like I'm talking to a friend over coffee. ChatGPT is amazing at helping you find your voice, or even experiment with different ones. Next, let's level up your SEO game so your content actually gets discovered. If you're using the free version, write 5 catchy YouTube titles for a video about growing vegetables on a balcony. You can also say, write an SEO-optimized description for a video on meal prepping for busy professionals. And for tags, generate YouTube tags for a video about building a minimalist wardrobe. But if you've got GPT-4, here's where you can really fine-tune things. Try write YouTube titles that balance emotional triggers, curiosity, and clear keywords for a video about paying off debt fast. You can even do this. Here are 3 versions of a video title. Which one is most likely to get a higher CTR and why? Or get super detailed. Write an SEO-rich video description with timestamps, hashtags, and a soft CTA to follow me on Instagram. SEO can feel like a science, but with the right prompts, it's actually really easy to get right. Now let's talk about understanding your analytics and actually doing something with them. If you're on the free version, you can ask, what are common reasons people stop watching YouTube videos in the first 30 seconds? Or, what can I do if my thumbnails aren't getting clicks? Even just asking these can help you tweak your future uploads, but GPT-4 lets you really dig in. Here are my latest analytics. CTR is 3.2%, average retention is 42%, views are low. What do I need to fix? Or, compare my video titles to this competitor's channel and suggest improvements I can make. Want to optimize your content type? Analyze my past 10 uploads and tell me which type of content is performing best. Tutorials, reviews, vlogs, or shorts. This is the kind of insight that can save you months of trial and error. Let's talk engagement, because growing a community on YouTube isn't just about posting content, it's about actually connecting. If you're using the free version of ChatGPT, tell it to write a thoughtful reply to a comment that says, "You inspired me to start my own garden." Or ask it, what's a polite way to respond to criticism without sounding defensive? Now, for GPT-4, take it a step further. For example, write a community post that invites feedback on my latest video in a friendly, low-key way. Or create 3 poll ideas for my community tab to boost interaction and learn what topics my audience wants next. Another one I love is, write a heartfelt thank you post for reaching 1,000 subs and make it sound authentic, not cheesy. These are the little things that turn viewers into fans. And finally, let's talk channel growth, monetization, and collaborations. With the free version, a simple place to start is, what are 5 monetization options for a small YouTube channel focused on digital art? Or, how do I approach another creator for a YouTube collab? Now for the ChatGPT Plus crew, you can go next level. Try build a 90-day growth strategy for a productivity channel, including upload cadence, video types, and promotion tactics. Or suggest potential partners I could collab with in the tech space who have 10,000 to 50,000 subs and a similar audience. Even this. Create a monetization plan that combines YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and digital product sales. This is strategic planning that would normally take days, and you get it in seconds. Alright, quick recap. Use ChatGPT free for idea generation, basic scripting, titles, descriptions, and comment replies. It'll already save you a ton of time. But if you go with ChatGPT Plus, GPT-4 gives you better ideas, more creative flair, smarter analytics, and strategic insights to help your channel grow faster. Give these prompts a shot, and let me know in the comments which ones worked best for you, or share your own. I'm always down to add more to the toolbox. And hey, if this video helped, hit that subscribe button for more tips on using AI to grow your channel, save time, and just make life easier. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.